So this video about the clutch for 5-speed gearbox MMT 1.4 diesel, 1.6 and 1.8. all of them has the same clutch plate. Disc for diesel, it's stronger with the springs, and but clutch plate and clutch bearing fully the same. And now I will show you how to check if you can use second time the clutch plate and how to use it, okay? Because it's not simple plate. This plate has inside, you see these two holes. I will destroy this clutch plate to show you how it built inside. You see this, and if you will check, if you will look inside, you see possible or not possible. You will see the teeth. One moment. Oh yes. You see where is this? Where is located? It located on the middle. It's this clutch plate worked about 40,000 kilometers. And look to this clutch plate. I did it to start position. Where is it? Oh. Possible. Oh. This is the start position. The teeth must be on the left, but in new clutch plate it's missed two teeth. I'm always do like this. And now how to understand if you can use it, if it's okay. It always some risk, will work, not will work, but I know that this clutch plate worked only 40,000. You see, this it's okay, it's okay. And now I will show you how I'm checking it. Look at this. I turn to the, and you see, just look at this, look at this, look at this, and you will see it's, if I will turn it, you will see that it's not straight, it's bended. You see what is dimension on this side and on this side. And if I will take the caliper, for example, you see what is the difference? The clutch plate not good. This clutch plate will never work. And look at this. This clutch plate is straight. You see, it's all okay. If I will take the caliper, 1 millimeter difference, it's normal. Look, this dimension same. You see, about 2 millimeters, it's normal. This 2 millimeters. The same. But in this, it's about 5 or 7 millimeters. And I see that it's okay. Okay, now how to make the start position. I have one video how to make it, but I will do another one. You can use some press. I will use this thing. I found it on the scrapyard. I'm taking the clutch plate. This. I need this stuff. It's some pulley from alternator. Now this bolt with the nut. Now this plate on his place, and it's come out, no, come upper, and the teeth is now on the freeway. Now I need to rotate it. Oh, like this, you see? Or, op. That's all. Yes. Let's check. Let's check it. Not yet. I need to move more. Okay. Now you will see as or this is the teeth. Oh, how it built. Oh. You see? This is the teeth. And this how it must be. Like this. On the new clutch plate, when you receive, usually it about not more, yes, about this position. But if you want to use better to make full start position, something like this. See, this is the start position. And always check before you will install the new clutch plate where the teeth is located, because sometimes it can jump to the middle and car not work, gears not engage it or else.